Good morning, students. Welcome to RV School online classes. In yesterday's class, we completed another chapter. Now, in this class, we are going to study a new chapter name is called linear equation in two variables. In yesterday's class, we completed a second chapter. Like second chapter, coordinate geometry is over. Now, linear equation in two variables. In this session, we are going to discuss about linear equation in two variables. Okay, I think in 8th standard, we are all learned linear equations in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. How to find the solutions of a linear equation in one variable. How we can represent the solution of a linear equation in a number line. Already you know. Now, let is the equation. Linear means all of you know linear means the variable degree must be 1. The degree of variable is 1. It is also learned in polynomials. If degree is 1, it is linear. If degree is 2, it is quadratic. If degree is 3, it is cubic like this. The variable degree is 1, then it is considered as linear. Now x degree is 1. X plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0. Yes, it is a linear equation. How many variables? Only one variable. Because equation means this equation, it means x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now it is the linear equation in how many variables? One variables. Which one is the variable here? X is the variable. X is the variable. Okay. Then how we can find the solution of linear equation in one variable, and how we can represent this value in number line or number line. How we can sorry, idನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, and how we can represent this value on number line. Number line ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, because 8th standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. X plus y is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in how many variables? Only one variable. Because this equation having only one variable, that variable is called x. Okay. Then how we can find x is equal to plus 5 becomes minus 5. Therefore, the value of x is how much? Minus 5. Okay. X. How we can represent a number like this now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Then what is the value of x here? Now it is the x value is minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5. Now we can represent the value of our variable in one variable like this in number line. X is equal to minus 5. Okay. Dear students, in earlier classes we have studied linear equation in one variable. Yes, we are learned in one variable. Can you write it down a linear equation in one variable? Okay. You also know that such equations have a unique solution. It is very important point. Okay, linear equation in one variable having how many solutions? Unique solution. And unique nothing but one and only one solution. One and only one solution. Here it is a linear equation in one variable. It is. Okay, it is linear equation in how many variables? One variable. This linear equation in one variable having how many solutions? Only one solution. Only one solution. What is the solution here? Minus 5. Write down another one. Now 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is also linear equation in how many variables? One variable. It is also linear equation in how many variables? One variable. How we can find the solution of this variable? How we can find the solution of this variable? Now dx is equal to minus 2 becomes plus 2. Then x is equal to how much? 2 by 3. Again, this variable having how many solutions? One solution. All of you know already. Always linear equation in one variable having how many solutions? Unique solutions. How to represent the value solution of the linear? How to represent the solution of linear equation in one variable on number line? All of you know in 8th standard we learned how to find the solutions of a linear equation one variable. How to represent a number line like this. Okay, it means linear equation in one variable having how many solutions? How many solutions? Only one and only solution. Only one solution or unique solution. Linear equation having unique solution. Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Linear one variable. Now it is only x is variable is here. Okay, now 3y plus 2 is equal to 3. It is also linear equation in how many variable? Only one variable. Variable is here y. Degree is 1. Degree is 1 and variable is 1 means it is example of linear equation in how many variables? One variable. Linear equation in one variable having how many solutions? Unique solutions. How we can find the solution? 3y is equal to minus 2. Therefore y is equal to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Only one solution. In the standard form of linear equation in one variable. Standard form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus c is equal to 0, and a always not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. Now the linear equation in one variable standard form ax plus c is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Here x is variable. A is coefficient of x. C is a constant. Ax plus c is equal to 0. Here x is the variable and a and c are the different values. A and c are the different values. Therefore a not equal to 0. So why we know a not equal to 0 means if a is equal to 0 means there is no variable is here. If we substitute a equal, why a not equal to 0 means if a value is 0, suppose if a value is 0 means 0 and anything is 0, then it becomes g is equal to 0. There is no variable. One value a value is 0 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ there is no variable. Okay, variable presence ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. If we substitute a value is 0 means variable is irrelevant. Variable are present ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ equation like this. Then there is no variable means how we can calculate this linear equation in one variable like this. There is no variable means how we can represent. Okay, for this reason always a is not equal to 0. Standard form of linear equation a plus c is equal to 0. In 9th standard we are going to study about linear equation in two variables and how we can represent the solutions of a linear equation in two variables on Cartesian plane. In this session, in this class, in this chapter we are going to study how many solutions of linear equation in two variables having how many solutions. A linear equation in one variable having how many solution? Unique solution. And linear equation in two variables having how many solutions? And how we can represent on Cartesian plane, how we can represent the solution of a linear equation in two variables on Cartesian plane, and how many solutions linear equation in two variables having. Okay, here suppose one question is this. Okay, two friends is there, two friends idare, they want to contribute some money to CM relief fund, CM flood relief fund. If friends idare avardondu concept enide, we have to contribute some money. Only two students, they want to contribute some amount to CM flood relief fund. How many students, how many friends is there? Two students. Okay, what is the name? One is Sachin, another one is Saurav. Okay, two friends is there, they both together means we should add contributed how many rupees? 100 rupees. Sachin and Saurav both are contributed how many rupees? 100 rupees for CM 1000. Okay, no problem. 1000 rupees. Sachin plus Saurav contributed 1000 rupees. This is the situation. It means here how many characters is there here? Two characters. Sachin is different, Saurav is different. Sachin is different, Saurav is different. It means here this is Sachin plus Saurav contributed 1000 rupees. Okay, sir, we are able to convert this situation in the form of equation. This situation and now equation form ge convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes, Sachin, we are able to convert this situation in equation form. Yes, now Sachin is converted into x plus Saurav is converted into y. Both are contributed how much rupees? 1000 rupees. Therefore, x plus y is equal to how much here? 1000. Sachin is considered as x, Saurabh is considered as y. Then now x plus y is equal to 1000. Here, this equation having how many solutions? How many variables here? X and y. How many variables? Two variables, because two different characters is there. Two different characters. Therefore, first character is considered as first variable, second character is considered as second variable. Together, means we should add x plus y is equal to 1000. Now, this is a linear equation in how many variables? Two variables. Why it is linear? It is only one section. Here is only one section, one server. Is only one section, only one server. Therefore, degree is 1, degree is 1. Therefore, both will contribute. The both together contribute how much rupees? 1000, which is first situation. Yes, it is a linear equation in how many variables? Two variables. Linear equation in how many variables? Two variables. So, how we can find solution? How we can find solution? Okay, linear equation in one variable having only one solution, unique solution. Linear equation having one variable having one solution, unique solution. What about linear equation in two variables having how many solutions? And how many solutions? How we can represent the solutions of linear equation in two variables on Cartesian plane? Okay, Sachin and Saurabh. Okay, now some other example. 5 apples is there. 5 apples, 5 mango. 5 apples and 5 mangoes. The 5 apples and 5 mangoes. 5 apples and 5 mangoes. The total amount of 5 apples and 5 mangoes is how much? 5 apples plus 5 mangoes is how much? 200 rupees. It is the situation. Okay, 5 apples, 5 mangoes. The sum of the 5 apples and 5 mangoes is how much? 200 rupees. How much? 200 rupees. Is how much? 200 rupees. 5 apples plus 5 mangoes amount is how much? 500 rupees. It means how many characters is there? Two different characters. First one is apple, another one is mango. Therefore, apple is considered as x and mango is considered as y. Mango is considered as y. Then 5. Apple is considered as x plus 5. Mango is considered as y is equal to how much? 200. Yes, it is also linear equation in how many variables? Two variables. How many characters? Apples and mango. Mango and apple. 5 apples plus 5 mango. Total amount is how much rupees? 200 rupees. 200 rupees. 200 rupees. Okay. 200. How many solutions this equation having? How much solution? How we can represent in discussing later. We will discuss later. Next, another one example. One student result is there. So he got in maths he got 60 marks, and in science he got 40 marks. Okay, what is the total marks he scored in maths and science? Therefore, maths plus science he scored how much marks? 100. Maths plus science he scored how much marks? 100. Here maths is considered as one variable, science is considered as another variable. Therefore, maths plus science is equal to how much? 100. Math plus science is equal to how much? 100. Okay. Okay. One student purchased one pen and another one pencil. One pen and one pencil. And total amount is 10 rupees. For one pencil and for one pen and one pencil, total amount is how much? 10 rupees. How many characters is here? How much characters? 2. One pen and another one is pencil. Total amount is 10. The cost of pen. The cost of pen is x. X. Plus the cost of pencil. The cost of pencil is how much? Y rupees. Together is how much the total amount is for one pencil and one pen and one pencil is how much? 10 rupees. X plus y is equal to how much? 10s. This is also in the linear equation in how many variables? Two variables. One is x, another one is y. X is x based on cost of the pen, y based on cost of pencil. So this equation having how many solutions? It is very important. So how many solutions? This equation having how many solutions? It is very important. Okay, let x pen is 2 x, the cost of pen is 5 rupees. If cost of pen is 5 rupees, then what is the cost of pencil? One way total one pen plus one pencil is equal to 10 rupees. If the cost of the pen is 5 rupees, automatically what is the cost of pencil? It is also 5 rupees. How we can find? X value is 5 plus y is equal to 10 plus 5 goes to minus 5. Therefore, y is equal to how much? 5. Okay. If x is equal to 4, if x is equal to 4 again, if the cost of pen is 4 rupees, means what is the cost of pencil? What is the cost of pencil here? X value is 4 plus y is equal to 10, y is equal to 10 minus 4, then y is equal to how much? 6. If pencil value is 2 rupees, if pencil value is 2 rupees, pencil value x plus pencil value is 2 is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 minus 2, x is equal to 10 minus 2 is how much? 8 is equal to how much? If pencil value is 3 rupees, if pencil value is 3 means pen value is 7. If pencil value is 1 rupees means pen value is 9. Pen value is 9. If the pencil value is if the pen value is 6 rupees means pencil value is 4 rupees. It means what it indicates? What it indicates? In linear equation in one variable having only one solution, unique solution. But this only equation how many solutions? Here is also one solution. Here is also one solution. Here is also one solution. Both y here in first situation y value is 5. In first situation y value is how much here? 6. It means different solutions. Linear equation in two variables having how many solutions? Different solutions. It means you can one value x value 1 togoli, y value different ಆಗ್ತದೆ. X value 2 togoli, y value is different. X value is 3, y value is different. X value is 4, y value is different. If y value is 1, x value is different. Y value is 2, x value is different. Y value is 10, x value is different. Y value is 200, x value is different. It means what it indicates. Clear? It means students, linear equation in one variable having unique solution, only one solution, but linear equation in two variables having how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. How many solutions? Many solutions. We are not able to get the exact solution because x value 1 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ y value 1 ಬರ್ತದೆ, x value 10 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ y value 3 ಬರ್ತದೆ, x value 20 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ y value 3 ಬರ್ತದೆ, x value 30 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ y value 3 ಬರ್ತದೆ, x value 40 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ y value 3 ಬರ್ತದೆ. But in one variable there is no possible, only one value, because there is no another variable. There is no another variable means definitely only one solution, but here two variables. It is simultaneously. If one value is different means another value is different. If one value is 10 means another one is like this. If x value is 20 means y value is different. If x value is 30 means again y value become different. It means it's purely based on value of the variables. It means linear equation in two variables having how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions, because x value 10 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ y value ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, x value 1 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ y value ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, x value 3 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ y value ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, x value 4 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ y value ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Therefore what it indicates? Linear equation in two variables having how many solutions? Many solutions. Okay, infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay, now standard form of linear equation in two variables. Standard form of a linear equation in two variables. Standard form. Standard form. Okay, standard form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. X is variable, y is variable, a is coefficient of x, b is coefficient y, c is constant, and another condition is there, a and b always not equal to 0. A and b always not equal to 0. Why not equal to 0? If a value is 0 means 0 into x 0x, then it becomes one variable. One when a or b ಯಾವುದೋ value ಒಂದನ್ನು 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು two variable ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, it becomes one variable, because anything into 0 is 0. For this reason, in linear equation in two variables, always the coefficient of x and coefficient to y are always not equal to 0. One will equal to 0 idre, if a value is 0 means x value is irrelevant. If b value is 0 means y value is irrelevant. There is no variable hide ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತದೆ. If a value is 0 means x variable is hide, eliminate ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ b value 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ y variable eliminate ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, irrelevance ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Therefore this reason always this is standard form of linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. and A and B always not equal to 0. A nothing but coefficient of x, B nothing but coefficient of y. C is constant term. Constant term. And also linear equation 2 will have how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay. Infinitely many solutions. Let's start exercise 10.1. Let's start exercise 10.1. A small exercise and also easy. It is all very easy. First exercise for 10.1. First problem. The cost of notebook is, keep in your mind students, the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. It means how many characters is there? How many characters? 2 characters. One pen, another one is notebook. And one is pen, another one is notebook. Means how many characters? 2 characters. 2 characters means how many variables? 2 variables. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of pen. Twice the cost of pen. Write a linear equation in 2 variables to represent this statement. It means this statement we should represent in linear equation in how many variables? 2 variables. So what is the condition here? The cost of a notebook is twice the pen. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪೆನ್ ಗಿಂತ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ 2 times ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಪೆನ್ 5 ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ 10 ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಪೆನ್ 10 ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ 20 ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ the cost of notebook is x, the cost of pen is y. The cost of pen is y. The cost of notebook is x, the cost of pen is y. How we can represent the cost of pen? So the cost of notebook x, notebook b x rupees. It is given already. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, take ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. question ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Take the cost of notebook be x and the cost of pen be y. Okay, the cost of pen be y rupees. Okay, how many characters? Because pen and notebook is x, pen is y. Notebook is x, pen is y. What it indicates? We should represent the statement in the form of linear equation in 2. ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. The cost of notebook is how much here? The cost of notebook is x. The cost of notebook is 2 times means 2 into 2 times the cost of pen. The cost of pen is y. Therefore x is equal to 2y. The cost of a pen is equal to 2 times the cost of pen. The cost of notebook is equal to 2 times the cost of pen. Therefore x is equal to plus 2y becomes minus 2y is equal to 0. Then the equation how many variables? 2 variables. The cost of a notebook is equal to 2 times the cost of pen. The cost of a notebook, one notebook is equal to 2 times the pen. Already there. Cost of a notebook should be x and the pen should be y. Therefore x is equal to plus 2y becomes minus 2y. Therefore x minus 2y, if there is no number means it is 0. Then the situation becomes linear equation. How many variables? 2 variables. Tell me anyone here, coefficient of x is 8, coefficient of y is b, constant term is c. Tell me anyone here, what is the coefficient of x? If there is no number means 1. Therefore a value is 1. Then coefficient of b means it is coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of b here? Minus 2. Therefore b value is minus 2. Is there any constant term? There is no constant term. Then c value is how much here? 0. C value is how much here? 0. C value is how much? 0. C value is 0. Okay, the cost of a notebook is 2 times the cost of pen. Therefore x is equal to 2y plus 2y becomes minus 2y. This is the answer. Okay, then main question number 2. Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Because the standard form of linear equation 2 variable is how much? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And indicate the value of a, b and c. A, b, and it means we should represent the given situation in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form. Then find the value of a, b, c. and then we have to find the value of A, B, C. Then we have to find the value of A, B, C. Okay, main question number second. B, C. First one, 2x 3y equal to 9.35 is equal to 9.35. Then we will in the form of what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. E form ali na convert then ABC. It means constant term is, it means always equal to what? LHS part, RHS part. It means RHS part equal to what? 0. It means the position of constant term always in LHS part, but it is in RHS part. It is LHS part, it is RHS part. Constant term ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? RHS part ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಅದು RHS ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು? LHS. We should convert it into LHS. Therefore 2x plus 3y plus 9.35 becomes minus 9.35 is equal to what? 0. Then we have to convert on this. A value means coefficient of x, B means coefficient of y, C means constant term. Tell me anyone, what is the value of A? A value is 2. B means coefficient of y, B is equal, what is the value of B? 3 or plus 3, both are same. Then what is the constant term? Constant term plus C is there, but here it is, what is the constant term is here? Minus 9.35. Therefore A value is 2, B value is 3, C value is minus 9.35. A value is 2, B value is 3, C value is minus 9.35. Because according to standard form, constant term should be a LHS side. RHS side is equal to 0 only. In problem ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಇದೇನೇ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. For this reason we should convert it in this form. Okay? 2x plus 3y. A value nothing but coefficient of x, B nothing but coefficient of y, and C nothing but constant term. Second one, x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Here there is no need to convert because constant term is LHS part. Here, the position of constant term is LHS part of the equation. Then if there is no coefficient, means what is the value of A here? 1 plus 1. B value 1 by 5 is there. Y by 5 means what is the value of coefficient of y is minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. So how we can find it? Like this. X minus 1 by 5 into y. Both are same. 1 into y, y. There is no number means 1. 5 1 is 5. Minus 10 is equal to 0. Then what is the value of A? A nothing but coefficient of x. A value is 1. B nothing but coefficient of y. What is the value of B here? Minus 1 by 5. What is the value of C constant term? C value is minus 10. Therefore A value is 1. B value is minus 1 by 5. C value is minus 10. C value is minus 10. C value is minus 10. Then third one. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. 3y is equal to 6. According to standard form, always the constant term must be LHS part. But C is equal to minus 6. Okay. Then fourth one. X is equal to 2y. Just we solved it. Sorry, 3y. Sorry, it is x is equal to just solve ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ. X is equal to 3y, but ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 is 3 ಇದೆ, no problem. Okay. According to standard form is equal to what? 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay. Then x is equal to plus 3y becomes minus 3y is equal to how much? 0. Is equal to how much? 0. There is no constant term, no problem. There is no constant term means A value Coefficient of x is how much? 1. What is the value of b? Coefficient of y is -3. There is no constant term. There is no constant term means c value is how much? 0. There is no constant term means c value is 0. There is no constant term means c value is 0. There is no constant term means c value is 0. C value is 0. Then fifth one. Fifth one, 2x minus 5. 2x is equal to minus 5y. 2x is equal to minus 5y. Now this is not in the form. It is not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then we should convert 2x as it is. Then minus 5y becomes plus 5y is equal to how much? 0. Then a means coefficient of x. A value is how much? 2 plus 2. What is the value of b? Coefficient of y plus 5. Y. There is no constant term. There is no constant term means c value is 0. There is no constant term means c value is 0. There is no constant term means c value is 0. A value is 2. A nothing but coefficient of x. B nothing but coefficient of y. And constant term is considered as c. Then sixth one. Sixth one. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. 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 Okay. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Sir, we will go. Sir, it is in one variable. So it is a linear equation in one variable. Yes, it is one variable, but we have to convert this situation in this format first. We should convert this position, this form in this form. Then we have to set 3x. There is no y term. Plus there is no y term means we should consider like this: 0 into y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 0 into y. 0y. 0 anything is irrelevant. Then tell me anyone, what is the value of a? Coefficient of x is 3. What is the coefficient of y? b is equal to 0. C is equal to how much? Plus 2. C is equal to how much? Plus 2. A value is 3. B is equal. There is no y term. There is no y term means b value is how much? 0. B is equal to 0. C is equal to 2. Okay. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. A is equal to 3. B is equal to 0 because coefficient of y is 0. C value is 2. Last one. Sorry, seventh one. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is equal to, again here there is no x term. There is no x term means how we can convert on this easy format. We convert mode. Okay, how we can convert? Same again, 0 into x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 into x, 0x. 0x means it is irrelevant. Then what is the y value of a? A nothing but coefficient of x is 0. B value there is no coefficient means 1 means it is plus 1. C value constant term is minus 2. Therefore a value is 1, B value is a value is 0, B value is plus 1, C constant term is minus 2. Constant term is minus 2. Constant term is minus 2. Okay. Then eighth, last one. Eighth one. 5 is equal to 2x. 5 is equal to 2x. 5 is equal to 2x. Then you see students, 2x as it is. Okay. Plus 5 becomes minus 5 is equal to what? 0. 2x as it is. No problem. Here is so much start with the if plus 5 becomes minus 5. Here there is no term means 0 is equal to 2x. Plus 5 becomes minus 5. 0 is equal to 2x minus 5 nothing but 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Both are same. Okay. 0, 2x as it is, plus 5 becomes minus 5 is equal to 0 means 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. 2x now it is in the form, now it is not in the form of this form. Then we should convert how there is no y term means 2x plus 0y minus 5 is equal to 0. It means what is the value of a? A value is 2. B value is 0, C value is minus 5. C value is minus 5. C value is how much? Minus 5. Okay. Now, first exercise is over. Then tomorrow we have to start second equation. Solution of a linear equation. Solution. How we can find the solution of a linear equation. Okay, next. Thank you.